Aishwarya Joshi, and today we are going to find out everything about bruxism, what it is, what are the causes, and how to treat or prevent it. Okay, so let's go ahead with today's video about bruxism. What is bruxism? Bruxism is basically the habit of clenching your teeth while you're asleep. Okay, quite a lot of people have this kind of a habit. It is particularly common in the young age group, wherein the kids have mixed dentition, partly deciduous milk teeth and permanent teeth. It is also common in young adults and a working population for multiple reasons. So we are going to find out what are the causes, how you can basically find out that if you are a bruxer. Number one thing, you can ask your co-sleepers. They will possibly find out or know that sound of having or biting your teeth during your sleep. Okay, number two is you may probably have the flattened out teeth surface. The third thing could be you will probably have the sensitivity because of the temperature transmissions through this flattened teeth. Okay, number four is you will experience tiredness after waking up in the morning, particularly in this muscle. Okay. One more thing that could be very common is interruptions while sleeping. Your sleep cycle doesn't complete properly. If you are experiencing all these kinds of things, there is a possibility that you are a bruxer. Okay. Well, now we will move on to the causes. Number one thing is the stress. It is the body's mechanism to cope up with the stress to clench your teeth. And that is how we react to any stressful situations. For most of the people it is true, and that is how it leads to the habit of clenching your teeth in the night and ultimately the bruxism. So the number two is anxiety. If you are anxious about anything, again the body will cope it up with the habit of clenching teeth. Number three is if you have any particular crown or restoration done in your teeth earlier, and if it is not congruent with all the rest of the bite, it may interrupt and interfere with your natural bite, and then our jaw will try to close it completely in order to get proper particular satisfaction of having and chewing, having a food or chewing and biting. In order to that, it will close tightly, heavily, and that will eventually lead to the habit of clenching or bruxism. And another thing could be, if in particular the young kids, it could be something like they having mixed dentition, partly deciduous and partly permanent. During this phase, what happens is the bite is not developed as yet. So in order to close completely, and again in order to get that biting satisfaction, the joint closes it tightly and leading to the habit of clenching. So now we will move on to the treatment part. So treatment highly depends on what is the cause of the bruxism. Okay, so if the bruxism is because of the transitional dentition, that is the partly mixed and partly permanent dentition, as in case of young kids, it will go off with the period of time naturally. So it absolutely doesn't require any treatment. Second thing, if it is because of the clenching or if it is because of the anxiety or stress, that needs to be tackled by particular professionals so that its effect on the dentition will be reduced, plus it will improve the sleep cycle, plus it will solve multiple other health issues. Okay, so another thing, the next thing is if it is because of the improper restoration or improper crown that you already have in your mouth, that needs to be corrected. Your original bite needs to be restored properly. So if it has progressed to a level wherein you already have a flattened teeth, in that case, we will have to gauge your natural original bite, and we will have to restore that particular bite in order to give you a peaceful sleep and peaceful and healthy mornings and healthy routine. So that can be done by your dentist. Another thing is, if it is at the primary level and you have realized that you have the habit of clenching or bruxism and your teeth are not worn out yet, what can be done is your dentist can fabricate a night guard fabricated for you. You can wear that and it will discontinue the habit of clenching over a period of time. So if you have any further queries regarding bruxism, you can call us on our contact number 726-400-8000, or you can visit our website www.microdenttdentistry.com. Thank you.